Yeah, hello. Yeah, my name is Daniel, and I'm a Nigerian. I have a bachelor's degree in business administration from an American university. Now, I think I'm more interested to study for my master's degree in international finance and economics at the University of Macerata. Now, the reason why I wanted to study at the University of Macerata, considering the fact that it is one of the oldest universities across the world, a university that is over 700 years old. And I think that is a wonderful opportunity. And considering the partnerships and collaboration that the University of Macerata has with other international university. So I think that is a wonderful one. Now, I think some of the topics or courses in the master's degree in international finance and economics, simply international risk management in finance and also the financial market. I think that's one of the reasons why I love these courses to understand how the financial market work and international trade or global trade. Also talking about globalization. I think these are wonderful opportunity and also international macro economics. So I think it's a very fascinating course, and give me the in-depth understanding since I have a background knowledge on finance in my undergraduate studies in business administration. I think the master's degree in international finance and economics, I think it will only elaborate and broaden my understanding about how the financial market work, especially on an international level. Now, I think some of my career prospects, when I'm done with my master's degree in international finance and economics, I'd love to work with the World Trade Organization, if the opportunity arises, and also the International Monetary Fund (IMF), and maybe corporates in the corporate world as well, and even the World Bank or other financial institutions. So I think it's a wonderful opportunity, and I really look forward to becoming a full time student at the University of Macerata. So thank you very much. Yeah.